Welcome to the CoCloud tutorial video. In this episode, we'll show you how to use image data in CoCloud to generate point clouds, orthophotos, and 3D models. First, in the project or workspace, click New Dataset. Name your dataset and select Image Modeling. Upload your raw image data. Both single camera and multi-camera formats are supported. Please choose the correct folder structure for your project. Once the upload is complete, the system will automatically check for geolocation data. If your images do not contain location information, click Import POS file. Then set the correct header fields: longitude, latitude, and elevation. After importing, you can preview the image distribution and boundary extraction results on the map. The original boundary is preserved by default. Click Next to enter the Output Settings page. Here, you can choose to generate point cloud loss, orthophoto DOM, digital surface model DZEM, 3D mesh model, mesh obj model. Below, you can set the coordinate system. CoCloud supports major global coordinate systems and Quick EPS code search. We recommend selecting Automatically Start the Processing after upload. Once confirmed, click Start. You can view the upload progress in the top right corner. Do not close the page while uploading, as closing it will interrupt the upload. Once the upload is complete, the system will automatically start processing. You can check the processing status and credit usage in the task details. For complete results, each image consumes approximately 1 credit. After processing is finished, you can view the generated point cloud, DOM, DZEM, and 3D model in the browsing mode. The platform supports annotation, measurement, and export for further use.